Hello, it's homework time. Today's homework is to do with convection. This is the concept which we covered in the lesson recently. That lesson in which we had the big square glass jar full of water and into which we put a purple dye. I'm talking about that concept. All you need to do for today's homework is to complete 3 questions. The questions are difficult, so spend no longer than 30 minutes on this homework. Question 1. Candle flames on Earth are tall, thin and tapered. They have this shape which should be fairly familiar to you. That sort of shape. I would like you to write a fairly short analysis of what shape you think a candle flame would have in a zero-gravity environment, for example that inside, let's say, the International Space Station. How do you also think, and you should refer to this in your answer, the volume of a completely zero-G candle flame in no gravitational field at all would compare to the volume of a flame on an identical candle on Earth? So there are 2 things to think about in this answer. Here are a couple of hints I'd like to give you. First is that candle flames are a mass of hot gas, and gases are things which can move. I'd like you to use the concept of density in your answer as well. I'm going to give you no further help than that. Good luck. Questions 2 and 3 have to do with plate tectonics. You will have covered this in geography in year 8, I believe. If you haven't, here's a quick recap. The Earth comes in layers. The top layer is called the crust, and upon the crust are individual, very, very, very large continent-sized chunks of rock. We call these plates on the Earth's crust. Underneath the Earth's crust we have a layer called the mantle. The rock within the mantle is actually close to being a liquid. It can flow, it's a fluid. We actually get convection currents in the mantle. We get hotter regions of the mantle moving to the top, and we get cooler regions of the mantle moving to the bottom. I would like you to think about this when you answer questions 2 and 3. Question 2 is, in which direction is the Earth's mantle moving at somewhere like the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, where the plates are diverging? The answer isn't as simple as you think. Question number 3 is, in which direction is the Earth's mantle moving at somewhere like the Marianas Trench near Japan, where one plate is going underneath another plate? The answer again is not quite as simple as you might think. I'd like relatively detailed, reasoned answers for these questions. There should be a short paragraph for question 1, question 2, question 3. Good luck. You're not going to get any further help from me, but you can see me at 3:30 any day in S8. Thank you.